All right, let's look at the pound yen. Pound yen, we had a lot of analysis, guys. As you can see, this is more volatile. Okay, so if you look at yesterday, as you have seen, we've been short here. So this is the profit target we were expecting, which price nicely hit. And this morning, we also had this short trade here. We also had a long rejection. So being an intraday, we squeeze long and short, amazing. And the last trade, we had a long trade here. So technically, it looks like sort of like price is developing an inverted head and shoulder pattern. Let's see if the price is going to continue. Hello traders. Today is the last trading day of the week, 11th of April 2025. What a blessing Friday, guys. Amazing volatility. We have a amazing volatility this whole week, but today was amazing, guys. Let me share with you how we analyze the market and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. Let's look at the analysis. If you guys following my analysis on the YouTube, as you have seen, we've been long here. So we really enjoyed this rally. And even today, we had this beautiful long trade here. So this is the area of interest. We had also had the last trade. We also had a short trade here. And some of the traders are still holding short here. Let's see here. Let me share with you how we analyze the market on pound dollar. So if you look at the pound dollar, we have beautiful analysis. You can see this morning, which is a pretty straightforward. We're looking for pullback, if not, then breakout, and the data was good for the cable, and that's basically beautiful breakout. Hit to the profit target after banking some profit. Look for another pullback, which we did, and squeeze amazing profit on this one. And then we had another beautiful long trade here, which is a pretty straightforward. You can see we were looking at pullback, but as mentioned, safest way look for this breakout. As you can see here, after the breakout, we have one pullback, second pullback. We announced all these pullback just to help our trader not to miss this opportunity. Data was good, positive. Momentum was bullish. Dollar was weak. Momentum, you can see it giving us a sign of long. I really enjoyed this. Really bank amazing profit on this one. Then we have another beautiful long. That's the last long trade we had it. As you can see here, beautiful breakout, amazing trade. Nicely hit to the previous high. Bank squeeze, amazing profit. And afterwards, we started counter short trade here. We let you can see here, we have impulsive reaction, but as I said to my trader, as long as we don't see any pattern, don't jump into the trade. Recent high is broken, decent low was broken here, so looking for this breakout. As you can see here, the price nicely broken, and after that price nicely broken and give us another confirmation. Beautiful short trade, squeeze amazing profit, oh guys, on pound dollar. All right, let's look at the pound yen. Pound yen, we had a lot of analysis, guys. As you can see, this is more volatile. Okay, so if you look at yesterday, as you have seen, we've been short here. So this is the profit target we were expecting, which price nicely hit. And this morning, we also had this short trade here. We also had a long rejection. So being an intraday, we squeeze long and short, amazing. And the last trade, we had a long trade here. So technically, it looks like sort of like price is developing an inverted head and shoulder pattern. Let's see if the price is going to continue. But we squeeze amazing profit. Let me share with you how we analyze the market and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. All right, so if you look at the pound yen intraday analysis, we had a lot of analysis, guys, on pound yen. So pretty straightforward. I'm just gonna go through. This is the morning analysis. You can see around 8 a.m. London time, beautiful breakout, short trade, squeeze amazing profit, and then we have another beautiful long trade here. You can see here the price nicely. As soon as the price is reversed, as we explained, we have beautiful trade, and that's basically after the news release and the beautiful long trade, amazing trade, guys, squeeze amazing profit. And then afterwards we also had after squeezing profit, we also had another beautiful long trade here, which is a pretty straightforward squeeze amazing profit. And after banking that profit, we also had a short trade here, amazing trade, guys, beautiful symmetry triangle pattern breakout short trade. Then we have another long trade here. We've been taking a long and short, guys. You can see how well we explain all this analysis, and plus top of that we produce live analysis through live audio commentary. Beautiful at the New York session, amazing profit night, nicely profit target hit, squeeze amazing profit, and afterwards price nicely respected. We had a short trade here after making some profit, That was the last short trade we had it. As you can see here, the price refused. The safest way, as always mentioned to our trader, let the price break. As you can see here, after the breakout, give us the confirmation. Beautiful short trade on pound yen. Afterwards, as soon as the price respected here, we had a long trade here, guys. We've been taking a long trade now, which is a pretty straightforward. If you look at here, based on the intraday, we have, inverted head and shoulder pattern. The safest way, price broken after the breakouts, price retest, give us the confirmation. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, that's what I explained my trade is time to bank some profit. And let's look at the another pullback. So we had another beautiful, this is the last trade we have been did the analysis, which is a pretty straightforward. We're looking this breakout. As you can see here, price developed another false breakout that give us the high probability. Basically, the market has taken all the liquidity, and then we were expecting a continuation. And afterward, as I mentioned, any pullback would consider. We can see a breakout, pullback, 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 pullback. As soon as the price reverse at this level, as explained, my trade is time to squeeze amazing profit, guys, on pound yen. So that was a beautiful analysis. Let's look at the Euro USD. Euro USD. If you look at the what a beautiful, guys. We had a nice long trade this morning. We really enjoyed it. And afterwards, if the price when the price refused to stay above this high, we've been taking a short trade here. And let me share with you the analysis. That was a beautiful long trade, guys. Amazing analysis today, guys. You can see here almost of the traders squeeze amazing profit. So you can see we've been long here. This is a pretty straightforward. At the just before London Open, we had amazing long trade, squeeze amazing profit, and then we had another beautiful long trade here, pretty straightforward. After impulsive correction, impulsive, beautiful long trade here. Then we have another beautiful long trade here, amazing, guys. You can see here price develop impulsive reaction based on this analysis. Beautiful breakout and retest give us information. Amazing long trade we had it. Afterwards, we also had a short trade here, some counter short trade, which is pretty straightforward. If you look at here, the price developed head and shoulder pattern, beautiful breakout, hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit on a Euro USD. Then we have another beautiful short trade here. That was the beautiful, as you can see, a price nicely broken. The safest way, as always mentioned, you can see here the price broken after the breakout. Price give us the confirmation. That's the high probability trade, guys. And beautiful, really. Then price broken here, and then we have another beautiful short trade and squeeze amazing profit on Euro USD. And then later on, we had the last trade. Oh, we have a lot of short trades, guys. You can see after that, we've been taking a short trade here. Beautiful breakout and retest. Short trade, squeeze amazing profit once this journey started. We've been taking a short trade here. This is another short trade here, which is a pretty straightforward. Price nicely broken and retest. Beautiful short trade. Then the last short trade. This is another beautiful short trade here. As you can see here, the price respected, broken the recent high, and this is the recent low. As you can see here, the price nicely broken even after the breakout, price retest, and then we have another beautiful short trade and squeeze amazing profit on Euro USD. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy this analysis. I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy more when you see it in real time. So most welcome, join our fast growing today community, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day and have a nice weekend, guys. Until next time, all the best.